Hi everyone, I'm Justin from VXT, and in this video, I'll show you how to use dates in your call flows. This is super useful for automatically handling calls during holidays or special events. Let's dive in. So first, find the admin at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. And then, in the admin section, find Call Flow Builder. To start your call flow, click plus new call flow at the top right hand side of your screen. To start your call flow, click the plus icon under incoming call and then click dates. This lets you set up different call flows depending on the date. So click configure and then click add date group. You can name it something like public holidays or Christmas vacation. It's all up to you. And then click add date. So for example, 25/12/2025. Then I'm gonna add another one, 06/30/2025. After that, don't forget to check if you have selected the correct time zone. And then click save. Now decide what happens if a call matches your dates. Send it to voicemail, reroute it, whatever works for you. If it doesn't match, the normal call flow will continue. So for public holidays, I want the calls to be sent directly to my voicemail. And if it doesn't match, I want it to ring me. So ring users, and then click assign users, and then Justin. Click done, and then if unanswered, I want it to be sent to my voicemail. So click the plus icon under unanswered, click connect, and then click send to voicemail. Now, don't forget to name your voicemail. Hit save. And that's it. That's how you use dates in your call flows. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.